Welcome to week 10. We're going to go back to wellness this week. This is a difficult time in the semester as we're about two-thirds of the way through, but things kind of start to break down a little bit. You get tired, you have more projects, that sort of thing. We have to really take care of ourselves. So I want you to think about that this week as you're going through the assignments. A few things to point out. The Living with Intention journal assignment, you want to start this on Monday. You want to, or Sunday, or now, as soon as you see this, just because you need to take it through 5 days to complete the assignment. So I want you to start early. You still have the usual things this week that we've always done. We're going to talk about stress in this week's discussion. I want to point out the registration thing. If you haven't already registered, now's the time to do it. You want to register now for next semester so that you can get the classes that you want and have better payment plans and all of these things. It's best to register early. There are some handouts here and a video from Catherine that will help you with registration and some tips on registration here below. This is an optional discussion where if you have questions or thoughts, you can post them here and then I can get back to you with your questions, and it might help other people to see them as well. Lastly, we started this last week, but if you have not done it yet, you need to visit a professor's office hours as soon as possible so that you can write the reflection. And basically what you're doing is meeting with the office hours, especially if there's a class that you're struggling in. You can also meet with me. Basically, figure out when the office hours are, visit, take a list of questions that you want to ask. How can your professor help you? And here, down below, here are some sample questions you could consider. And then after you attend, send me the following information so that I can see that you have visited the office hours and sort of what you got out of it. Remember that I do have some online office hours coming up. And if those times don't work for you, we could schedule an appointment in person or online. Just shoot me an email. Have a great week, everyone.